What's up everybody, it's me Nawaf, back on another video. Today this video is going to be a bit more different than usual as I post videos on Saturday. So today we are going to see all of the photos that were posted on the last new update of 3.5.0 update, whatever we want to call it. Anyways, let's get into the video. So this game is called actually World of Airports. All of you might play it, all of you might not. But our dev team is working hard every day on the largest airport we've ever built. Stay tuned. This was called Hong Kong Airport. It was posted a bit longer before. The developers forgot the aircraft C909. Yeah, this is the aircraft, guys. Look at this. It is a bit smaller. The nose looks a bit different, which is a bit okay. We got some 747 family. Yeah, it's work in progress if it's posted or not. This is also work in progress. I don't know if it's posted already. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Wow. This is the Hong Kong airport, guys. Look at this. This is so realistic, amazing. Like, I genuinely cannot believe how amazing the airport is. Definitely so good. The airport building, the jetways, some roads, highway, the car parking where you can park, the airport building, and some aircrafts taxiing the runway, taxiing to the runway landing. Look at the runway, guys. Look at the runway. I mean, this airport looks like a dream golden airport, not gonna lie. Or NGL. Look, Hong Kong airport. Yeah, pretty much it. We also got a DC-10 or DC-9. I don't know. But I know what airline is this. This is actually KLM Airlines. All of you know this airline. Yeah, we got a little something like I'm just going to say this is for the aircraft tracker where it goes landing or takeoff, or the traffic, flight numbers. I don't know, we will see it. This is somebody else's computer, not gonna lie. We've got a DC-10. Jet2 Holidays. Wow, look guys, so damn perfect. It's a Boeing 757. Boeing 757. Look at this. This is Santiago de Chile Airport. This is the map of the airport, the runways, the whole airport building. The jetways are a little bit smaller because this is the top view. And yeah, this is the night version. The daytime. Look at all of those planes, guys. They're definitely amazing. And the night version. Okay. Wow. This Boeing is cruising altitude. Hey everyone, after a bit of a hiatus, I'm finally back with another dev blog. There's a lot to catch up on, so let's jump right in. Reflecting on recent updates first, I'd like to briefly touch upon some recent milestones. We finally delivered one of the community's most requested features, spinning aircraft wheels. It was far trick, or if I want to read it or not, never mind. Yeah, could be Hong Kong airport. We also got more photos to show you. This is the Airbus A330, guys. Same photos. Today we bring you a preview of the Boeing 747 Classic Series 747-100, 747-200, and 747-00F. Likes 527 on Instagram. So I'm going to say this one should be better. Yeah. The 747-200 is a bit bigger than the 747-100, or the 747-200F should be more bigger. Look, the airlines is Evergreen. What I'm gonna say is Sahara Airlines, Sierra Airlines. I don't know. We've got an Air Canada, which is an old version. Evergreen International. Sahara Airlines, whatever, and Air Canada. This is so beautiful. There's a plane called Algo Para Flyboys. Am I right? Oh yeah, right. Algo Para Flyboy. Look at this. Wow. This is so perfect. Like, how? We got the newspaper version, like, in plastic away. No. The texture, the color, the position, scales is 0.5, 0.5, rotation 0, 0.66, 101, 0.022, 7066, negative 0.00288383. This is negative 2. DOO 2, not the number 2. 0.66, 101, the color, texture 2. This is the logo of the tail fin. Somebody sitting here with the airline. Okay. that is pretty much it. And these are the airlines I know. Not this one, actually. This is Air Greenland, Airbus A330. This should be the A340 or A330F, I don't know. Air Callan and Starlux. This is going to be Innsbruck Airport. No, I think this is Zurich Airport. Yeah, Zurich Airport, guys. It has the Swiss Airlines plane on the top to make it more Switzerland. The airport that is being added, Malaysia Airlines, the Boeing 737. On Innsbruck, guys, the airport has been remodeled. The Innsbruck airport has been remodeled. Look at this, guys. Amazing. It's much more better than before. We've also got cows in the field that is more behind or forward. This is the Innsbruck airport. New features. And yeah, the aircraft is pretty good. Landings from both runway directions, a completely new 3D model, multiple new features at one of the most played airports in the game. We will something like that. The likes are 1,524. Let's go, bro. I really like to play World of Airports. Wow, this 737. This is for the Scrappers game of World of Airports, guys. And yeah. Ooh. We also got a new one, which is really good. The other pictures are gone, probably. These are for the Scrappers, guys. And yeah, but when I see how to do that on World of Airports game, it's usually this YouTuber, guys, Fat Airlines, Thepatrician, something like that. Yeah, Wordle, and pretty much it. My whole friends list, the Noaf team, and yeah. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.